honeys, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Clearly we're not doing a crafting video today, but I am so excited that I organized all my spices, that I needed to do this video for you guys because it's killing me. That excitement inside me is just killing me, and when I have ideas, I just want to share it with you guys so badly that I have to do it. So this morning I woke up with the intentions of reorganizing my kitchen cabinets. I just need to get those cabinets organized. They're not neatly, they're not neat, they're not messy right now. They're kind of neatly organized, but they're not really functional. So I needed to just really concentrate on that. And if you guys like these videos that I'm going to be doing, let me know at the bottom of this video if you guys enjoy watching like ideas on how I would rearrange and reorganize and just like, you know, give you some suggestions for your home, because I feel that although I like to craft and I enjoy doing crafting videos, I also enjoy doing stuff for around the house. So if you guys like to see more videos like this, thumbs up and let me know. Okay, so okay, the moral of this story is go to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and get yourself a whole bunch of these salt and pepper shakers. So this morning I woke up thinking I'm going to organize my cabinets. I took everything out of my cabinet. My kitchen right now is a freaking mess. My living room is a freaking mess, but that's okay, because I'm going to be going about an hour or two from now. I'm going to go to Marshall's. I'm going to go to Home Goods. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be getting some containers, and I'm going to be reorganizing my kitchen. I already made a list of what I need so I don't spend extra money on what I don't need. And so I'm going to be doing that soon. I wanted to do like a come with me shopping like video. Would you guys like to see that? Would you guys like to see me shopping when I go to like the Dollar Tree or even like Home Goods? I thought that would be an interesting video, but I don't know if you guys would want to see something like that. Let me know at the bottom of this video if you guys think it's a good idea, and maybe I'll do that in the future. Maybe like a come with me while I go thrift shopping or something. I don't know. Let me know. But anyway, so I went to the dollar store and I went to get some of these salt and pepper shakers because I have a project that I want to do for Easter and I needed a few of these. While I'm there, I'm thinking to myself, wait a second, Jenny, why don't you use these salt and pepper shakers to transfer all your spices into? It's going to look super neat in your cabinet and everything's going to look kind of like, you know, everything matches. So I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to get a few of these salt and pepper shakers. I'm going to take them home. I'm going to transfer them to the little containers, see how that works for me. And I thought the idea was brilliant. Brilliant. I am so happy with this arrangement right here. I had to do this video for you guys. So what I did was I bought about 7 of these little salt and pepper shakers. Now remember, these comes in a set of 2, so you're already right there saving money. I saw some of these little jars in Target, and I thought it was a cute little container to use. But the problem that I was having is that each little container was $1.25. And I'm thinking to myself, if I need like 20 or 25 of these little jars, I have to spend $25, $6, $7, right? Or maybe even $30 on the little jars. That's not feasible and that's very expensive. So if you can save money, why not? So I did that with this little concept here. These, you get 2. So for the price of 1, you actually get 2. So what I did was very simple, guys. I transfer all my spices into my little salt and pepper shakers. I absolutely love this idea. Number 1 is very cohesive. Everything matches. Number 2 is so easy to do, so affordable, and it looks so pretty. I use washi tape to label my salt and pepper shakers. Let's just call them spice jars, okay? Because if I keep saying salt and pepper shakers, I'm gonna get like tongue-tied. So let's just say my spice jars, right? So what I did was I took a washi tape that I wasn't too fond of. That's another trick. Get yourself washi tape that you're not too fond of, or that you don't really like too much, or that you're not really using, and then use the washi tape to label your spice jars. Excuse me, hold on one second. And this is what I did. I used, which is a really pretty washi tape actually. By the way, I want to apologize to you guys because I felt kind of bad. A few of you guys asked me about, I don't know if you guys watched my video on my washi tape storage solution and how I was storing my washi tapes, and I told you in that video that I was going to get rid of some washi tapes that I wasn't really too crazy about or that I'm not using, and I put the washi tape on sale in my Poshmark account. I already sold it actually, but a lot of you guys were asking information about how to either purchase it or where I'm going to be posting it, and maybe I wasn't too clear on that video on on letting you guys know where I was actually going to be selling that washi tape lot. So I apologize if there was some kind of miscommunication. I thought that maybe, I realized that a lot of people don't know what Poshmark account is, and maybe that might be one of the reasons why it was so confusing for some people. But Poshmark account is a site where you can sell like secondhand things. So let's say you wear like I don't know, you have some clothing at home and you don't want to use it anymore, or you want to get rid of it. You can put it on Poshmark account and you can sell it. This is a really good site that you can make a little bit of money, and it's awesome. So you guys have to make sure that if you're not familiar with Poshmark, get yourself familiar with it, because it actually is not that bad. It's free to sign up, and you can really make a little bit of extra money, and it helps a lot. So I'm gonna link like my account to the bottom of this video, and I'm gonna link like any information that I would like give you about this Poshmark account site, and I'll link everything so you guys can get familiar if you're not. So anyway, I just wanted to apologize for those of you who wanted to buy those washi tapes. Maybe next time when I do another another video where I'm going to be getting rid of things, I'll be a little bit more specific, okay? I'm sorry about that. But okay, so I just got off topic, like from 1 to like 20 I got off topic. So anyway, so what I did was I used my washi tapes. And this is the funny thing, okay? When I first started doing this, I used this washi tape as a temporary solution because I didn't want to lose the information on what I'm putting in the little jars. So I temporarily used washi tape, and I put in front of the washi tape the name of the spices that's in the jar. Well, let me tell you something. It's no longer temporary. It's going to stay there permanently because I absolutely love the idea. I just love it. So what I did was I used my washi tape, okay? And I just got a little piece of washi tape to go around my little spice jar. Okay, just like that. Okay? I used a it's called Tuxedo Black. It's a very fine point permanent marker, and I love it because the tip is very fine. I don't have fantastic handwriting, so this really helps me a lot with making everything neatly organized, and it looks really pretty. So what I did was with the black marker, I wrote down the name of the spices that I'm putting inside the jar. For example, I'm gonna do the same thing with my my sprinkles. Yes, I'm gonna do the same thing do my sprinkles because I just love this idea so freaking much that I am gonna do the same thing with my sprinkles. The only difference is I have like a very, I don't know, cute idea that I want to incorporate with my sprinkles. If you guys want to see the finished look to my sprinkle, I will do that for you. Let me know at the bottom of this video, because I have in my mind, I have a way of maybe putting my sprinkles in these little jars a little bit differently than my spices. But anyway, just to give you like a broad idea of what I was doing, I would add my name. I would add the spice name in the front of the jar. For example, if I wanted to do like the sprinkles, I would just put here sprinkles. Okay. Okay. Actually, that doesn't look too neat, but let's move this a little bit over. There you go. See? I will put sprinkles. If you mess up, listen. Like for example, that little E right there, I hate the way that looks. So what do? I just remove my little washi tape. I add another washi tape and try to make it much more neater looking. Obviously, you don't want to do this for every single label because then you won't have no washi tape left. But I would strongly recommend you that when you're using washi tape, make sure you're using a washi tape that you have several rows of. I have about 3 rows of the same washi tape, so this way you're not stressing yourself out that if you're running low on your washi tape, you don't have any more washi tape to add to your label. So just make sure that the washi tape that you're using, you have multiple of. This way, you know, everything is nice and smooth and you don't get yourself crazy. So anyway, so for the sprinkles, you saw how I wrote sprinkles here, but I just didn't like the way that E looked. You see how that E looks kind of ugly? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to do it. Now, if you don't have a fantastic handwriting like myself, then have somebody else do it for you, okay? My original idea behind this was to actually, you know, temporarily write down what's inside the jar and then have my husband rewrite it for me because he has really nice handwriting. And that was my original idea. That's why I said to you guys that when I added this label, it was just like a temporary solution. But I soon found out that I absolutely love the way this look. I just love it. I think it's so quirky, so much fun, and I just love it. So I kept it that way. So that's what I did. I added my label, as you can see here in the front. I'm not going to use this label for my sprinkles. I'm doing something different, and I'm using a different label for my sprinkles. But I just wanted to show you, okay, an idea of how I did these. So I added the name. And what I did was obviously wash your jars and disinfect the jars and all of that, okay? I added my sprinkles in here, okay? And now you can use a funnel to make your life much more easier. Or you can make your own funnel with paper. I found, to be honest with you, that with my spices, I didn't use a funnel because for every spice that I had to put in the little jar, then I would have to clean my funnel out. I would have to dry it very well because you don't want to use wet, you know, the funnel to be wet because then it'll stick to the spices. So it was just too much work for me. So I just used paper funnel. I had a whole bunch of paper in front of me. I made my own little funnel, put the, you know, the powder in, boom, done. And then I used different paper for different spices because you don't want to mix your spices together. So that's what you get, guys. And look at that. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? I just love this idea, guys. I love it. I am so excited to do my sprinkles. I cannot even tell you. But this is exactly what I did with my spices, okay? So what I did was, like you can see here, I added curry powder to this one. I added black peppers to this one, whole oregano, this is Old Bay rub. I did a whole bunch, guys. Every single spice that I have them all in these little containers. And then a tip that I want to show you is if you're not really familiar with the spice, like for example, I'm not really too familiar with like not allspice. There was one in here that I wasn't like really too crazy about, and I wasn't sure. Let me see, which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, this one. Yeah. If you're not familiar with your spices and you're not sure, like for example, this one, Mrs. Dash, obviously we all know what that is, right? But the reason why I kind of made myself a little notation in the back is because I wanted to make sure and I wanted to remember that this was salt free. I wanted to remember it's more like a steak grilling blend, and I just wanted to keep that, you know, fresh in my mind. So what I did was, on the back of the jar, which you cannot even see, I took another little piece of washi tape and I added in there, as you can see there, salt free, and then I put steak grilling blend. So this way I know, you know, exactly what it's for, and I have an idea that it's salt free, so I can definitely use this for, you know, my husband, and just, you know, just a broad idea. You can do that for all of these if you want. I'm planning to do that with this. Wait. With this spice right here. This is the Chinese 5-spice cinnamon. So I'm planning to do the same thing with this one. I'm planning to put like a little washi tape in the back, and then just include all the 5 spices that's included in this cinnamon little spice. Okay, just an idea so that you know, and that, you know, there's different possibilities of doing this. I also did a really cute idea, which for my cinnamon, I just put a little bit of a cinnamon piece in front. I wrapped it around with twine. I think that's really cute. I like that idea. I would like to do that with all my like other spices, but some of these spices don't come actually in pieces. They're actually powder. So, but if the ones that do come in like actual whole, that wouldn't be such a bad idea to do if you wanted to. So I just wanted to show you guys my little organizational little section of my spices. I am so excited. I am so excited. I love it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same concept with my sprinkles, because I have a lot of sprinkles here. And I thought it would be a perfect idea to just add these little sprinkles in the same little organizational jar. Only a little bit different. I'm probably going to do differently is the washi tape I'm going to use differently. And I'm thinking in my mind of doing something in the front of the front of the jar. I'm not sure that's going to work for me, but I have an idea that I want to actually do. So we'll see if that works. If you guys want to see another video on my not spices, this is my spices, on my sprinkles, let me know at the bottom of this video and I'll do that for you guys. If you guys want to know more or want to see more videos like this, thumbs up and let me know if you guys are willing to. Another thing I wanted to let you guys know before I go is one of these little small, like it's a 1.1 ounce amount of spices actually fit in one of these little jars perfectly. Okay, so what I did was, for the ones that I had about this size, I put them all in here. They fit perfect. For the ones that I have that are not you know, that I have extras for, what I did was I put those in a small little box, really neatly organized, and then I labeled it extra spices. So this way I know when I'm running low on all these spices, I'll just go to that little box and I'll just refill my spices. Okay, now keep in mind, this system here works for me because I don't have a really big family. We're not a family of like 12, you know, we're a family of 4. And so I really don't use that much spices in a daily base. Now, I don't mind that I would have to refill these spices, you know, maybe, you know, I don't know, every 2 weeks or so. That doesn't bother me. But if you do have a big family, this might not work for you because you're going to be refilling these little spice jars for you to use quite frequently. So obviously, you know, based on how your living, you know, is, you figure out if this system would work for you. But I love it. 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 I have to go and get more little jars because I want to finish doing my little sprinkles. But I gotta tell you, this is like the best idea I have ever, I don't think I came out with, but I ever done for my spices. It is perfectly organized, perfectly neatly placed, and I just thought that you guys would want to, I don't know, have some insight on what I'm doing. Okay, I am going to leave you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. If you guys want to see more of these home ideas, let me know. I'm not really sure if you guys even are interested in seeing videos like this. I just get so excited when I come up with something that works for me, and I'm thinking to my mind, in my mind I'm thinking, okay, if this is really exciting for me and it works for me, it might work for somebody else, right? That's how I'm always thinking. So if you guys think this is a really good idea, let me know. If you guys like seeing more videos like this, thumbs up and let me know. And yeah, thank you, honeys, for stopping by. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you. Please be safe out there. And I'll see you soon, honeys.